Okay guys, in today's video I got a pretty good one for you here. It's an affiliate marketing method that you can use using Digistore 24 products. And I know that everybody can reach that site because it's in Germany and it's available all over the world. And this particular method is really good. It's not a free method, but it's not an expensive one either. So if you want to see this method, sit back, relax, grab your coffee, and get ready to get started. First of all, let me get the to-dos out of the way for those of you that may be new to my videos or my channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below the video, click that little red subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell right there to the right of it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do on a regular basis on this site. Okay, all right, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get jump started in on this method. It shouldn't take long. It's a pretty easy method to get started, and you potential to make about $500 per day while you're on vacation or sleeping or driving out in the country in your car or whatever you're doing. It's passive income, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, the first thing we want to do, of course, is come over here to Digistore 24. You see it right up here in the address bar right there, right? Digistore24.com. Now, I've already sort of jumped ahead here and picked a little product that I want. But what you want to do is, if you haven't registered on this site, you need to sign up for a new account. You just want to click on register now, like you see where my mouse is right here. Click on that and it brings you over to the register page. And you want to click up, either you can sign up as either a vendor and affiliate both, or an affiliate or just a vendor. Well, in our case, we're affiliates, so we'll sign up for either one of these two right here. All right, and then you put in your username, which will become part of your affiliate link. So pick yourself a good username for the site. That'll become part of your affiliate links on all the products that you use on Digistore 24. And then fill out the rest of it here. Email, password, pick a good strong password, repeat it, and then choose your time zone. Doesn't matter where you're at in the world, pick your time zone. And then fill out the rest of this, Mr. Mrs., and then your first name, last name, company name if you want, your street and all that, and so on and so forth. Pick your country, guys. Like I said, it's all over the world. And then put in your phone number. And if you have a Skype name or a Telegram ID, you can also put that in here if you want. And then make sure that you check the box here about the privacy policy and terms. And if you want to get the newsletter, you can check this box. Click the register for free now button, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you get that clicked and get your account verified and validated, and come back over to Digistore 24 and then click on login right here. And then once you get logged in, you want to click on the marketplace right here. Like I said, I've already sort of jumped ahead and I picked a product. Now, what you can see is here in the column on the left, guys, that from A clear to Z, they have all kinds of niches of products that you can pick from to market with. Now, this particular method I'm going to show you today can be used in many different niches, which it's recommended to do more than one with this method that I'm going to show you here. And you can do it with any one that you want, but you just want to make sure that the product you use has a banner, because we're going to be marketing with banners today. Alrighty, so now, like I said, I've already jumped ahead, and what I did was I clicked on physical products right here, and that brings this up. And then I clicked on supplements right here. You see that, guys? Click on that and that loads up the supplements, and then I scroll all the way down. I found this product right here, Biotox Gold 2.0 2021 relaunch. It's a fairly new product. It's a good product. Its average price is $217. You can make about $150, just a few cents shy of $150 by each sale of this product. All right. Now, like I said, you want to make sure that the product that you're using has banners for it. So I clicked on the affiliates support page here, which we can click on the sales page here, and I can show you that. It's a really good video sales letter here, and you can see the products and so on and so forth here. It's got 60-day money-back guarantee and so on. It's a really good laid out video sales letter or sales page here. And then now on the affiliate, click on the affiliate page, support page here, and that brings you over here. And I scrolled all the way down, as they said, to have banners right here. See, so if I clicked on banners, it brings it down here, and it's got 3 different packages of banners that you can use here on this, and they have 5 different banner sizes, it says right here, to choose from in each one of these packages here. All right, so I just clicked on this one here and downloaded it to my computer. So now, once you have your product and you have your banner, which, by the way, if the product that you're choosing does not have a banner and you really want to use that product to market with, you can come right over here for free to Canva.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Canva.com, and you can sign up for free on Canva and create a design. And then what you want to do is click on, I'm already signed in. It signs me in automatically when I come to this site. But click on a design and then type in like banner, and then you'll see down here, you can see where just above me here where it says custom size, because you may need to create a custom size banner to put on the particular site that we're going to use to drive heavy traffic to our product, okay? And you can right here create the width and the height of your banner that you need, and then download it for free. You can use it, this site here, to create the banner and download it for free to your computer to use to market with. All right, now, so once you got your product off of Digistore, you've got the banner that you want, and you've already signed in. You get your link right here. So what you'd want to do is you want to put your affiliate link into the banner. Now, mine already, I have banners with this, so my affiliate link, when I click on that, of course, they're going to want me to sign in. So then once I get signed in, and you can see that it opens it up, and I can get my affiliate link right here. Now, the same thing is, then what I would do would be to download the banners, because it will have my affiliate link attached to those banners. All right. Then what you want to do is, once you have your product and your banner, you want to come over here to this site right here, guys. You can see it right here. It's up here in the address bar. You see where my mouse is here. It's adclerks.com. You see it right there. Adclerks.com. It's also right here. You can buy ads online, and you can even sell, if you're a vendor, you can sell ad space if you have a website. What this site is people purchase advertising space on high trafficked websites for cheap. So for example, let's say I picked a health and fitness product here on Digistore 24, Biotox Gold. It's a nutrition product, you see right there. So for example, what I would do was I'd come here, and if you put your mouse right here, guys, on all categories, you can see that all of these niches right here, these categorical niches, are mostly about 85% or 90% the same thing that you see over here on Digistore 24. All of these niches are the same things that you see right here. So, since I chose, for this example, to show you guys how to do this, I chose the health and fitness, right? So I would check that box right there and let it load up, and it's going to load up all the health and fitness websites that I can advertise on. And you can see right here, this site gets 87,000 visitors a month, and they're charging $45 per month to place a banner on their site. This one here gets 55,000. Right now they have $1,000 banner or spot opened up per 1,000 impressions. That's a little high in my opinion. Also, here's another one. Look for diagnosis.com. It's only 40 cents per 1,000 impressions on a 39,000 or 40,000 visitors per month site. So basically what you would do would be to click on any. I mean, it goes down and down through here. There's other ones down through here too. Now, guys, like I said, this is only one niche that I'm showing you. You can do this, as I showed you, with all kinds of different niches and products off of Digistore 24 in the niches here. So, for example, let's say I wanted to advertise on this site right here. So if I click on it, and it brings it up, it's about nutritional and dieting, which is in relation to our product here, right? Biotox Gold. And then, so what we do is we look down here, and you can see, guys, that right here, look, the 300 by 250 right sidebar package for $35 per month, as you see, for 30 days, it's already being used. You see that, guys? You got to click on it to wait. This one here, the top article, is already being used at $15 for 30 days, and it's already being used. So you can see that other people are doing this very same thing that I'm showing you guys right now. But look, right up here at the top header, this one is available for $45 for 30 days. Why is that one more expensive? Because it's probably the first one that gets seen when that site is loaded, which I'm going to show you here. Check this out. So if I load this site up and we come over to it here, you can see here's the website right here. Look right here what you see, right here at the top header, which is just what that was. It's the top header right here. You see that, guys? Top header. Here's the site, and here's a free and open space to put your banner up here. Alrighty, and it'll be the first thing the person sees on this website will be your advertisement. Now, so what you want to do is you want to click Add to Cart, and they're going to ask you for the banner. You need a 728 by 90 pixel banner. Well, like I said, I downloaded the banner package from Biotox to my computer. So if I open it up here and have a look, you can see that right here is a 728 by 90 banner. If we click on it, that's what it looks like right there, guys. This would be the banner that you'd want to put up on this site, and you want to pay them $45 for a whole month. Now, let's say you might think that's expensive. Well, if we come back and you look at the product, you can make in one sale almost $150. Do you think that you can make one sale in 30 days off of this site that gets 87,000 visitors per month? I would think that you could probably make quite a few more than that. You can make quite a few more sales than that, because it's a product that's related, and it's a very good product, the Biotox Gold here. And as you can see, it got a good conversion rate right here, and it sells really good. So that is how you do that, guys, and you can do this in any niche that you want to do this in. It doesn't have to be in the health and fitness like I just showed you. It can be done in any one of these. Just make sure that you pick a product on Digistore that has banners, and like I said, if it doesn't have banners and you want to market it anyway, you can create a banner for free right here on Canva.com. And guys, that is the method that I had for you today. It's not a free one, but it's not a real expensive one either, and you can certainly get started today right after watching this video. Right now, come over and get a product off of Digistore 24 and get a banner from it, and get signed up here in one of these niches that you see here, and begin making money while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping, while you're off driving on your car somewhere, or out to dinner, or doing whatever you want to do with your family, making passive income for a whole 30 days. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video and affiliate marketing, guys, reach down there, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there below the video. Click the notification bell. And also, if you got any comments, leave them down there in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my #1 recommended business, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.